calculate length x. So what we've got here is two right angled triangles. We've got this large one here and this smaller one here. So we're likely to have to use Pythagoras' theorem twice. So this is why it's called a two-step problem. So if we draw out the diagram, so we consider the large triangle, which is the one I've just highlighted here in red. These two lengths added together here make 8 centimeters. So if we put in some letters, A, B, and C. So what we're going to do, we're going to calculate this length here, and then use the smaller triangle to calculate x. So by Pythagoras, a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared. So 10 squared is going to be equal to 8 squared. Remember, it's the whole length here, plus c squared. Okay, so if we make c squared the subject, that means that we have to do 10 squared minus 8 squared. That's going to be 100 minus 64 is equal to c squared. Therefore, c squared is equal to 36. Now, we don't need to take the square root because we're going to take it, use it again. So there's no need to take the square root. Right, if we now consider the smaller triangle, which looks like this, we now know that this side squared is 36. We're going to call this one D and call this one X. This one's X we've got to find. So X squared is going to be equal to D squared, this side squared, plus C squared. Therefore, X squared will be equal to 3 squared plus 36. We don't need to square this again. This is already squared from the previous part. And this way we can avoid making a rounding error. So this will be 9 plus 36. 9 plus 36 is 45. X will be the square root of 45. If you put that in on your calculator, it will give back an answer of 3 root 5. And then if you press the SD button, you'll get 6.708. Normally give answers to 3 significant figures, so that 8 will make that 0 or 1. So the final answer will be 6.71 centimeters to 3 significant figures. So this has been a video to show you how to find a length using Pythagoras 2 times. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.